This is your Frontier opening bell and starting another business and market week on Frontier Africa. Hello, everyone. I am Bosun Omofaya. This is your markets, just a roundup of how we finished off across a few of the jurisdictions on the continent on Friday. On a weekly basis, the Nigerian NGX finished off 0.36%. We saw 3 days of uptake, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, offsetting the earlier part of the week, which was lackluster. The BRVM edged up higher by 0.75% on Friday. On Sunday, the EGX started the brand new week by 26 basis points better. The Nairobi Bus finished on Friday at 76 points in the green, while the GSC fell on Friday by 28 basis points. So let's get the week started, in which we're starting off with the U.S. Central Bank coming up with its interest rate decision on Wednesday. It's the week in which many central banks will start holding their March monetary policy meetings. Keep an eye on that. It's very critical when we discuss inflation, interest rate, and the Ukraine-Russian crisis and what it means for central bankers and monetary policy decisions around the world. Kenya in East Africa is starting a user testing phase for upgrading the Central Securities depository, which is attached to the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And Grit Real Estate, which is listed on the Nairobi Bourse, is buying Orbit Africa Warehouse, all in Kenya. Uganda's equity markets, it was ranked the best among the East African community. That's according to a new report by Absa Financial Markets. More on that later in the show. Who's number one? Hold on, we're coming to that. In the meantime, Absa has also reported that Mozambique will post worst external debt to GDP ratio of 97.5%, while Safaricom has signed a 5-year infrastructure deal with Ethiopia. Of course, you know, Safaricom and the consortium won $800 million telecommunications licensing in Ethiopia last year. Now they're getting heat on the ground and they are cementing their relationship with the Ethiopian government and the markets. So that's just about East African community. Let's move on to West Africa, where Nigeria retains its third position among African markets in that latest Absa Financial Markets Index for 2021. Senegal Treasury reporting 55 billion CFA franc financial raising at the West African Monetary Union market, while we're set for the Central Bank of Ghana's monetary policy meeting this week. Is going to start on Wednesday, the 16th to Friday, the 18th. We expect a briefing towards the end of the weekend. What is expected, that will come through the weekend about the 21st. And Cameroon's BGFI Bank reporting a net profit about 30%, 8 billion franc for the year 2021. While in Central African Republic, the CEMAC has recorded a steep fall in bank loans in first half of 2021. A bit of a backward-looking reporting from all the central banks within the Central African Republic, which includes Cameroon, DR Congo, Gabon, and a few others. Okay, I'm going into Southern Africa now, where the COMCOM, which is the regulator in the industry of telecommunications in South Africa, has approved the Competition Commission, has approved the purchase of MTN South African Towers by IHS. That deal is on the table, is being done and dusted. Now, the parties can move ahead to close that transaction, formally speaking, with the approval from the anti-competition agency. And MTN Group is looking to for a majority investor in its African fintech unit, while the ENI and BP, two of the world's largest energy giants from UK and Italy, has confirmed the merging of Angola assets into Azule Energy. And the British American Tobacco has lowered its annual guidance on its as it exits Russia, part of the sanctions from the corporate world as well, in all hands on the deck against Russia's unprovoked military operations against Ukraine. And Premier African Minerals has gotten 1.2 million British pounds for lithium project in Southern Africa, Zimbabwe. Okay, so here we go. EGX, the Egyptian Stock Exchange, is the most active exchange on the continent, and that's the number one holder of that position, according to that latest report from Absa Financial Markets, ranking all African market securities exchanges for the year 2021. In the meantime, the President al-Sisi's administration has banned the export of some commodities for the next 3 months in the wake of the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the impact that will have on this North African economy. Egypt is one of Russia's #1 wheat importer. And Raya Holdings reporting about 497 million Egyptian pounds net profit for 2021. And that's much bigger than 61.6 million loss reported previously. HD Bank reporting a deposit growth of 33.47% for 2021, highest among the banks listed on the Egyptian exchange for 2021. Morocco's microdata says its turnover fell 17% as profit after tax also dipped about 30% for full year 2021. The oil earnings season is not yet over across Frontier Africa. And Libya is looking to raise its gas production to meet demands of the European Union, part of the response of African hydrocarbon producers to the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the fallout in the global energy markets. And that's about it this Monday morning for your Frontier opening bell. The market is open for business, everyone. I am boosting them. You can go online and watch this show again and all our shows on Frontier Africa Reports on our YouTube. Then, of course, you can follow us on our social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Twitter. Of course, you can go on www.frontafricareports.com. That's our website. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Have a great day.